Hello again, Imtiaz Ali Sheikh here, an MSc Data Science student continuing with my 1 month internship at CodSoft. I'm excited to present my second project, Movie Rating Prediction. In this project, I delved into the fascinating world of movie data analysis. The objective was to develop a machine learning model that predicts the rating of movie based on features like genre, director, and actors. The dataset I used contained historical movie data, including information about user rating and various movie attributes. I kicked off my project by importing essential libraries such as NumPy, Panda, scikit-learn, visualization library like Matplotlib, and Seaborn. I loaded my movie data into Panda dataset and gave it a quick look to understand the structure and content. To ensure data quality, I tackled my missing value, which is crucial for accurate analysis. This processing step sets a solid foundation for building a reliable model. I used visualization like histogram and scatter plot to explore insight into how different attribute influences movie rating. Enhance model performance. I conducted feature engineering. This involves selecting and transforming relevant information such as categorizing movie genre and creating new attributes. I moved into selecting suitable machine learning algorithm for predicting movie rating. In this project, I opted for regression technique known as random forest. I split data into training and testing sets, trained the random forest model on the training data and evaluated its accuracy. In predicting movie rating, the accuracy of model reflects its ability to predict movie rating effectively. This project allowed me to gain hands-on experience in data analysis, pre-processing, feature engineering, and machine learning modeling techniques. As you can see, here are the different histograms which I have tried to check the any type of issue with the model. And after this, I have performed different method of model machine learning technique, and I have also checked their score. As we can see, random forest have highest score. As I wrap up my overview of the movie rating prediction project, I am grateful for the insight I have gained during this internship at CodSoft. This project not only improved my technical skill but also deepened my understanding of data science field. Thank you.